My God. It's so sweet. Ano nga yung kanta na yun? Your body is so sweet. Sweet. Tang, tang, tang. Strawberry, strawberry. Your body is your turn. Strawberry, strawberry. Hello.
You got the moves. We've got Melbourne's
Hello.
dance floor for you. Yes, we do. Tonight from 7, it's back to
Hi.
old school disco with more music and less talk coming up from MJ and Fleetwood Mac's Everywhere. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Hello, my friend.
Smooth 91.5.
How are you, my friend?
Excited to welcome Melbourne's Christmas Wonderland to Caulfield Racecourse from November till Christmas Eve.
Hello, my friend. Where are you?
Roller skating, Santa,
Hi.
so much more. Book now at Ticketmaster. For all the very merry details, head to the Smooth Play app or Smooth.
Hello, where are you? Jesus.
It's Black Friday at Coles. Score 8,000 bonus Friday points when you spend $3.
So, ayan guys, after sa cherry farm, andito naman kami ngayon sa Rocky Creek. You pick strawberries. O, diba? Strawberry farm. Then, itang lagat ko. Kailangan mapuno ko to. So, ayan guys, ang strawberry dito. Yan. Magsi-strawberry pick naman tayo. Yan, isang buong yard ng strawberry farm. Ay, strawberry pala. At ayan na si Dudong, nag-uumpisa na siyang magkuha. And then the rest of the tourists is there also picking strawberries. Ayan o, nasa linya. So, ayan siya guys. Ayan ang mga strawberry. And here as well. So, ito, parang okay na ito. Parang okay na to. Ito, pick up na natin. Ay, pick up. I-pick na natin. Yan. Tapos ito. And then here as well. So, here's my third pick. And tinatawag. There's a quality checker here. Oh, I found one here. I found one here. This one. Big one. Yan. And ito, laki. Yan, oh. Ito pa. Diba? Shala. Good morning, guys! Nandito kami sa strawberry farm. Picking strawberry. O, diba? Diretso agad vlog ang lola mo kahit wala pang tulog at galing sa flight. Diba? Kararating ko lang or kararating lang namin kaninang madaling araw ng mga alas 2. So, wala pang tulog ang lola nyo. So, diretso vlog na agad ang lola. Ayan, nakikita niyo yan. Ito, ang cherry dito. Ang lumaki. Ayan ang natin nakuha. O, diba? Ayan ang laki. After ng cherry farm, strawberry picking naman. I love it. Tara! So, ayan siya, guys. As in, ang lawak din itong strawberry farm nila. Yan. Ay! Hanggang dun, sa dulo. Ayan, nakikita nyo, ang dami ring mga tourist na nag-pick ng strawberry. And then, kung i-zoom ko, makikita nyo yung mga naka-anong strawberry. Ayan, oh. Yung mga namumula-mula. Yan. Strawberry yan. Grabe, busog pa rin ako sa cherry. Ang laki ng nila dito, strawberry. Hindi ko alam kung ganitong size din ang strawberry sa atin sa Pinas. Pero dito, ang laki, oh. Ayan. Yan. Diba? Nakikita nyo ba? Yan. Super. Magtikim tayo. Let's try. Ayan. Ito. Tikman natin. Tcharan! Tikman natin ang pinitas na strawberry. At tamis, guys. Sana si Dudong. Grabe. Ang tamis naman niya. Hindi ako mahilig sa strawberry, pero ang tamis ng strawberry ninyo. Sana si Dudong. Ayun. Your thing is full already. Oh my God. It's so sweet. Ano nga yung kanta na yun? Your body is so sweet. Sweet. Tang, tang, tang. Ayan, narinig. Strawberry, strawberry. Your body is your friend. Strawberry, strawberry. Ang sarap. Ay! Ang sarap! Oh! Fresh from the farm. Look. So sweet, promise. Ay. It's so good. Promise. Sarap. So, let's pick the strawberry once again. Aray! So, kailangan na nating mag-pick up ng strawberry. Where? It's too far. Oh, I found one
And these mites.
in here. Napuno agad ang aking lalagyan dahil kay Pedro. Oh, you missed this one. And here. Oh, here. Oh, there's a big one. Oh, someone's fucking nipped it. Sorry for the word. Someone nipped it. Oh, ang sarap. It's so sweet.
The lid has to close.
Grabe. Ang sarap. It's so good. This is the first time ever I picked strawberry and cherry in one day. Promise. Ang sarap. Nakikita nyo ba yan, guys? Ang lamig. Promise, ang lawak ng strawberry farm na ito. Iniwan ko na yung aking dun strawberry, oh. Aray ko. Ayan, nag-ikot-ikot na, bro. Yan. Ay! Nakikita nyo ba yan ang lawak? Ito. Bakit ganito? Ayan guys, oh, ang lawak ng strawberry farm. Yan. Ayan, hanggang doon. Ayan si Dudong. Grabe, nag-enjoy ako sa unang araw ko dito sa Australia, Melbourne. Puno na yung lalagyan ko. Pinuno na ni Dudong. So, as usual, tapos na kaming mag-strawberry picking. And, hirap na hirap ang lola niyong maghawak ng mic at ang aking strawberry na nakuha. And pabalik na kami doon sa pinaka
entrance nitong farm. So, there it is, guys. That's it for today's video. At kakainin ko pa tong aking na-harvest na strawberry. Bye!